kids, welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Science 5 Summative Test Reviewer, 4th Quarter, Part 2. Here are the topics: weather disturbances, structure of the solar system, features of the planets, and the phases of the moon. Weather disturbances. Identify what is being described in each sentence. You may also write your answers in your notebook.
Number 1, it refers to the condition of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. Weather. 2, a storm with thunder, lightning, heavy rain, and strong winds. Thunderstorm. 3, a whirling funnel-shaped storm with very strong winds. It's tornado. 4, a large circular storm that forms over warm ocean waters. Tropical cyclone. 5, these tall, heavy clouds are formed during strong storms. It's cumulonimbus cloud. Number 6, the loud sound caused by the rapid expansion of air after lightning. Thunder. 7, a flash of electricity in the sky during a storm. Lightning. 8, a tropical cyclone that forms in the northern Atlantic and eastern Pacific Ocean. Hurricane. 9, a tropical cyclone that forms in the western North Pacific, including the Philippines. Typhoon. And number 10, the Philippine agency responsible for monitoring and forecasting weather. Philippine Atmospheric Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA. Number 11, the powerful storm that hit Tacloban Leyte in 2013, causing massive destruction. Typhoon Yolanda. 12, this referred to severe atmospheric conditions like thunderstorms, tornadoes, and typhoons. Weather disturbances. 13, these are warnings issued to inform people about the strength of an approaching typhoon. Tropical Cyclone Warning Signals or TCWS. 14, the calm center of a tropical cyclone. And number 15, moving air that increases in speed during storms. Wind. What mainly causes a thunderstorm to form? A, cold air sinking quickly. B, warm, moist air rising rapidly. C, ocean waves moving fast. D, Earth's rotation. It's letter B, warm, moist air rising rapidly. Which part of a tropical cyclone has the strongest winds? A, the eye. B, the outer clouds. C, the eye wall. D, the center circle. It's letter C, the eye wall. What usually happens when warm ocean water fuels a storm? A, the storm becomes weaker. B, the storm gains strength. C, the storm disappears. D, the storm freezes. It's B, the storm gains strength. Which of the following best describes a tornado? A long rainy season. B, a rotating column of air touching the ground. C, a calm ocean breeze. D, a slow moving cloud. It's letter B, a rotating column of air touching the ground. What usually happens to air pressure at the center of a tropical cyclone? A, it becomes very high. B. It remains normal. C. It becomes very low. D. It disappears. The answer is C. It becomes very low. Why are tropical cyclones given names? A. For fun. B. For easy communication and tracking. C. To confuse people. D. To describe the weather. It's letter B for easy communication and tracking. What environmental damage can strong winds cause? A. Planting more trees. B. Uprooting trees. C. Creating mountains. D. Cooling the ocean. It's letter B. Uprooting trees. Which season in the Philippines usually has more typhoons? A. Dry season. B. Summer only. C. Rainy season. D. Winter. It's C. Rainy season. What can heavy rainfall from a typhoon lead to? A. Drought. B. Flooding. C. Snowfall. D. Earthquakes. It's B. Flooding. Which gas reaction with sunlight can cause smog? A. Oxygen only. B. Hydrogen only. C. Carbon only. D. Nitrogen and hydrocarbons. It's letter D. Nitrogen and hydrocarbons. Dark clouds are forming and strong winds are increasing near the sea. Fishermen are advised not to sail. Why? A. The sea is calm. B. It is nighttime. C. The sun is shining. D. A storm may be forming. It's D. A storm may be forming. After days of heavy rain, the soil becomes very soft and unstable. What could likely happen? A. Soil erosion or landslides. B. Snow formation. C. Volcanic eruption. D. Earth's rotation stops. It's A. Soil erosion or landslides. A family secures their roof and clears clogged drainage before a storm. What are they practicing? A. Ignoring the weather. B. Disaster preparedness. C. Celebration. D. Farming. It's B. Disaster preparedness. During extremely strong winds, trees begin to sway violently. What is the safest action? A. Stay indoors away from windows. B. Stand under the tree. C. Climb the tree. D. Play outside. It's letter A. Stay indoors away from windows. After a severe storm, electricity is suddenly cut off in the community. What is the most likely reason? A. Trees damage power lines. B. The sun disappeared. C. The ocean dried up. D. The temperature dropped. It's letter A. Trees damage power lines. A coastal community experiences shoreline erosion after a strong storm. What caused this? A. Calm winds. B. Strong waves and heavy rain. C. Snowfall. D. Earthquake movement. It's B. Strong waves and heavy rain. A student notices that construction work increases during dry months. What does this show? A. Weather affects jobs. B. Weather is unimportant. C. Rain helps construction. D. Workers ignore weather. It's letter A. Weather affects jobs. During a storm, you hear instructions from local officials to evacuate. What should you do? A. Ignore them. B. Follow instructions and evacuate safely. C. Stay outside. D. Go swimming. It's B. Follow instructions and evacuate safely. After a typhoon, people are advised to boil water before drinking. Why? A. To make it taste better. B. To remove possible germs. C. To cool it down. D. To change its color. It's B, to remove possible germs. A farmer loses crops due to strong winds and flooding. What does this show about severe weather? A, it has no effect. B, it only affects animals. C, it can damage agriculture. D, it improves farming. It's C, it can damage agriculture.
Identify the weather disturbance being described. You may also write your answers in your notebook.
Number 1. A weather event forms over warm ocean water, gains strength as it moves westward, and weakens when it reaches land. It brings heavy rains for several days. It's tropical cyclone. 2. A storm develops quickly in the afternoon due to rising warm air and produces lightning, thunder, and short but intense rainfall. The answer is thunderstorm. 3. A rapidly spinning column of air forms from a severe storm cloud and causes destruction in a narrow path. It's tornado. 4. Fishermen are warned not to sail because a low pressure system over the ocean is intensifying with strong spiral winds. The answer is tropical cyclone. 5. After seeing lightning, you count 3 seconds before hearing thunder. The storm is nearby and may produce heavy rain and gusty winds. It's thunderstorm. Number 6. A small but extremely violent storm with very low air pressure touches the ground and lifts debris into the air. It's tornado. 7. An area experiences calm weather for a short time in the middle of a powerful storm, but strong winds return afterward. It's tropical cyclone. 8. A severe storm forms from cumulonimbus clouds and may produce hail along with loud thunder. The answer is thunderstorm. 9. A community reports a roaring sound like a train as a spinning funnel cloud approaches. It's tornado. And number 10. A large storm system is monitored for days as it moves across the ocean and is assigned a name for tracking. Tropical cyclone.
Structure of the solar system. Identify what is being described in each sentence. You may also write your answers in your notebook.
Number 1. This is the huge cloud of gas and dust from which the solar system began. The answer is nebula. 2. This theory explains that the solar system formed from a spinning cloud of gas and dust. It's nebular theory. 3. This is the center and the largest object in the solar system. Sun. 4. These are dark and cooler spots that can be found on the surface of the sun. The answer is sunspots. 5. These are the 8 large bodies that revolve around the sun. These are the planets. Number 6. This is the spinning movement of a planet on its axis. The answer is rotation. 7. This is the movement of a planet as it travels around the sun. It's revolution. 8. This is the path that a planet follows as it moves around the sun. The answer is orbit. 9. This is the natural satellite of Earth. The answer is moon. 10. These are the light-colored mountainous regions from the moon. These are highlands. Number 11. These are the dark, smooth lowland areas visible on the moon. The answer is Maria. 12. These are rocky objects that are mostly found between Mars and Jupiter. The answer is asteroids. 13. This is an icy object in space that forms a tail when it gets close to the sun. It's comet. 14. This is the streak of light seen when a small space rock burns in Earth's atmosphere. The answer is meteor. And 15. This is the space rock that reaches Earth's surface after passing through the atmosphere. And the answer is meteorite. Why do planets remain in their paths around the sun? A. Because of wind in space. B. Because of the sun's gravity. C. Because of light from the sun. D. Because of the moon. It's letter B, because of the sun's gravity. Which planet is the largest in the solar system? A. Earth. B. Saturn. C. Jupiter. D. Mars. It's C. Jupiter. What process allows plants to make their own food using sunlight? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Digestion. D. Evaporation. It's B. Photosynthesis. About how far is the sun from Earth? A. 15 million kilometers. B. 150 million kilometers. C. 1.5 billion kilometers. D. 500,000 kilometers. The answer is B. 150 million kilometers. Why does the moon have many craters on its surface? A. It has strong winds. B. It has heavy rainfall. C. It is covered with water. D. It has no atmosphere to protect it. It's letter D. It has no atmosphere to protect it. What causes day and night on Earth? A. Earth's rotation. B. Earth's revolution. C. The moon's movement. D. The sun's movement. The answer is A. Earth's rotation. How long does the moon take to complete one revolution around Earth? A. About 7 days. B. About 14 days. C. About 27 and one-third days. D. About 365 days. It's letter C. About 27 and one-third days. Why do we always see the same side of the moon from Earth? A. The moon's rotation and revolution take the same time. B. The moon does not move. C. The sun blocks the other side. D. The moon is flat. The answer is A. The moon's rotation and revolution take the same time. Which statement best describes the sun? A. It is a cold solid planet. B. It is a medium-sized moon. C. It is a star that gives off energy. D. It is made mostly of rocks. It's C. It is a star that gives off energy. What is the main reason life can exist on Earth? A. Because of the sun's energy. B. Because of the asteroids. C. Because of the comet tails. D. Because of meteoroids. It's letter A. Because of the sun's energy. Where is the asteroid belt located? A. Between Earth and Mars. B. Between Mars and Jupiter. C. Between Jupiter and Saturn. D. Beyond Neptune. It's B. Between Mars and Jupiter. Which condition is true about the moon? A. It has thick clouds. B. It has many oceans. C. It has no weather. D. It has strong winds. The answer is C. It has no weather. What happens to most meteoroids that enter Earth's surface? A. They grow bigger. B. They turn into planets. C. They burn up in the atmosphere. D. They stop moving. It's letter C. They burn up in the atmosphere. Which part of a comet is the solid center made of ice and rock? A. Tail. B. Coma. C. Nucleus. D. Orbit. It's letter C. Nucleus. Why is the sun considered important to living things? A. It controls the tides. B. It provides heat and light energy. C. It creates meteors. D. It moves the moon. It's letter B. It provides heat and light energy. Which statement best explains why the sun's equator rotates faster than its poles? A. The sun is a solid rock. B. The sun is made mostly of gases. C. The sun is smaller at the equator. D. The sun does not rotate. And the answer is B. The sun is made mostly of gases.
Features of the planets.
Identify what is being described in each sentence. You may also write your answers in your notebook. Number 1. The spinning of a planet on its axis. The answer is rotation. 2. The time it takes a planet to complete one rotation on its axis. The answer is day. 3. The group of planets that are Earth-like and have rocky surfaces. Terrestrial planets. 4. The group of very large planets that are mostly made of gases. Jovian planets. 5. The layer of a terrestrial planet that is the thin outer surface. It's the crust. Number 6. The hot middle layer beneath the crust of terrestrial planets. The answer is mantle. 7. The center of terrestrial planets made mostly of iron and nickel. The answer is core. 8. The planet closest to the sun. It's Mercury. 9. The hottest planet in the solar system due to its thick atmosphere. Venus. 10. The only known planet that supports life. Earth. Number 11. The planet known as the red planet. It's Mars. 12. The largest planet in the solar system. And the answer is Jupiter. 13. The planet famous for its beautiful and extensive rings. The answer is Saturn. 14. The planet that rotates on its side. It's Uranus. And number 15, the farthest planet from the sun. Neptune. Which group of planets is found closer to the sun? A. Outer planets. B. Jovian planets. C. Terrestrial planets. D. Gas giants. The answer is C. Terrestrial planets. Which characteristic is common to all Jovian planets? A. Solid rocky surface. B. Many moons and rings. C. Very thin atmosphere. D. Located near the sun. It's letter B. Many moons and rings. Why does Mercury have almost no atmosphere? A. It is very far from the sun. B. It has many moons. C. It rotates very fast. D. It is small and very hot. It's letter D. It is small and very hot. Which layer of Earth is located between the crust and the core? A. Atmosphere. B. Mantle. C. Ocean. D. Ring. It's B. Mantle. Which gas is most responsible for the extreme heat on Venus? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Hydrogen. D. Carbon dioxide. It's D. Carbon dioxide. Why are Jovian planets sometimes called gas giants? A. They are made mostly of gases. B. They are very small. C. They are made of solid rock. D. They have no atmosphere. It's letter A. They are made mostly of gases. Which feature makes Earth suitable for life? A. Thick methane clouds. B. Presence of liquid water. C. No atmosphere. D. Extremely hot surface. It's B. Presence of liquid water. What are Saturn's rings mostly made of? A. Fire and lava. B. Ice and rocky particles. C. Pure gas. D. Liquid water. It's B. Ice and rocky particles. Which statement best describes terrestrial planets? A. They are very large and gaseous. B. They have thick hydrogen atmospheres. C. They have solid rocky surfaces. D. They all have rings. It's letter C. They have solid rocky surfaces. Why do different planets have different lengths of day? A. They are different colors. B. They rotate at different speeds. C. They have different numbers of moons. D. They are made of different rocks. The answer is B. They rotate at different speeds. Which planet is known for having the strongest winds in the solar system? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Neptune. D. Mercury. It's letter C. Neptune. What gives Uranus its bluish color? A. Oxygen. B. Methane. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Nitrogen. It's B. Methane. Compared with terrestrial planets, Jovian planets are generally A. Smaller and denser. B. Hotter on the surface. C. Closer to the sun. D. Larger and less dense. It's letter D. Larger and less dense. Which of the following best explains why inner planets have few moons? A. They are too cold. B. They rotate backward. C. They are made of gas. D. They are smaller and have weaker gravity. It's letter D. They are smaller and have weaker gravity. Which planet feature refers to chunks of ice and rock orbiting a planet? A. Core, B. Rings, C. Mantle, D. Crusts. The answer is B. Rings. Which of the following is not included in the giant planets? A. Jupiter, B. Mars, C. Saturn, D. Uranus. It's B. Mars. Which planet has the most moons? A. Mars, B. Mercury, C. Neptune, D. Saturn. It's letter D. Saturn. The planet that has liquid hydrogen ocean is A. Jupiter, B. Mercury, C. Saturn, D. Venus. The answer is A. Jupiter. Which of the following is known to be the twin planet of Earth? A. Mars, B. Mercury, C. Saturn, D. Venus. It's letter D. Venus. Which planet is known for having polar ice caps and a rust-colored surface? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Uranus, D. Mercury. And the answer is B. Mars. Look at the solar system diagram. Write the correct name of each planet in the box. Follow the order from the sun outward. You may also do this activity in your notebook. Let's check your answers. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
The phases of the moon.
Identify what is being described in each sentence. You may also write your answers in your notebook. Number 1. The moon phase when it is completely invisible from Earth. The answer is new moon. Number 2. The moon phase where a thin sliver of light appears and it's growing. It's waxing crescent. 3. The moon phase when half of the moon is lit and it has traveled 1/4 of its orbit. The answer is first quarter. 4. The moon phase when more than half is lit but it is still increasing toward full. It's waxing gibbous. 5. The moon phase when the entire phase is visible from Earth. It's full moon. Number 6. The moon phase after the full moon when the lighted portion starts to shrink. The answer is waning gibbous. 7. The moon phase when half of the moon is lit again but the opposite side compared to first quarter. It's third quarter. 8. The moon phase when only a thin sliver of light is visible, decreasing toward new moon. The answer is waning crescent. 9. The term that means the lighted part of the moon is getting larger. It's waxing. 10. The term that means the lighted part of the moon is getting smaller. It's waning. Number 11. The period of 29 half days in which the moon completes one cycle of phases. The answer is lunar month. 12. The reason we see different phases of the moon is because of its position relative to the sun and earth. The answer is moon's orbit or position of moon, earth, and sun. 13. The side of the moon that always faces earth. Its near side. 14. The moon phases that occur when the moon's gravity causes higher tides. The answer is new moon and full moon or spring tides. And number 15, the moon is always round, but its shape appears to change. This is called phases of the moon. Which phase comes immediately after the new moon? A. Full moon. B. Waxing crescent. C. Waning crescent. D. First quarter. It's letter B. Waxing crescent. During which phase can the moon be seen rising around noon and setting around midnight? A. New moon. B. Waxing gibbous. C. First quarter. D. Last quarter. It's letter C. First quarter. In which phase is the moon opposite the sun in the sky? A. New moon. B. Waxing crescent. C. Full moon. D. Last quarter. It's letter C. Full moon. What do we call the side of the moon not visible from Earth? A. Near side. B. Far side. C. Dark side. D. Crescent side. It's letter B. Far side. Which of the following phases occurs just before the new moon? A. Waning crescent. B. Waxing crescent. C. First quarter. D. Last quarter. The answer is A. Waning crescent. What is the shape of the moon during a gibbous phase? A. Completely dark. B. Half circle. C. More than half but less than full. D. Thin crescent. It's letter C. More than half but less than full. Which phase can be seen throughout the entire night? A. Full moon. B. First quarter. C. Waxing crescent. D. New moon. It's letter A. Full moon. How many main phases does the moon have in one cycle? A. 4. B. 6. C. 8. D. 12. It's letter C. 8. What phase is the moon in when it looks like a semicircle on the left side? A. First quarter. B. Last or third quarter. C. Waxing gibbous. D. Waning gibbous. It's letter B. Last or third quarter. What happens to the moon during the waxing phases? A. It appears smaller each night. B. It appears brighter each night. C. It disappears. D. It is completely dark. The answer is B. It appears brighter each night. Which phase is not visible in the night sky because it rises and sets with the sun? A. New moon. B. Full moon. C. Waxing gibbous. D. Waning crescent. It's letter A. New moon. Which phase comes right after the full moon? A. Waxing gibbous. B. Waning gibbous. C. Last quarter. D. Waxing crescent. The answer is B. Waning gibbous. The moon's orbit around Earth causes the phases to repeat every A. 7 days. B. 14 days. C. 29 half days. D. 365 days. It's letter C. 29 half days. What is the appearance of the moon called when only a small sliver is visible before a new moon? A. Waxing crescent. B. Waning crescent. C. Full moon. D. First quarter. It's letter B. Waning crescent. Which of these statements is true? A. The moon produces its own light. B. The moon's phases are caused by its shadow. C. The moon always looks the same from Earth. D. The moon reflects sunlight and appears to change shape. It's letter D. The moon reflects sunlight and appears to change shape. The phases of the moon are caused by the A. Rotation of Earth on its axis. B. Rotation of the Sun on its axis. C. Revolution of Earth around the Sun. D. Revolution of the Moon around the Earth. The answer is D. Revolution of the Moon around the Earth. Identify the phases of the Moon. You may also write your answers in your notebook. Let's check your answers. Phase 1, new moon. Phase 2, waxing crescent. Phase 3, first quarter. Phase 4, waxing gibbous. Phase 5, full moon. Phase 6, waning gibbous. Phase 7, third quarter. Phase 8, waning crescent. Read each situation carefully. Write the correct moon phase. You may also write your answers in your notebook. Number 1. Ivo looked at the sky but could not see the moon because the side facing Earth was completely dark. The phase is new moon. 2. After sunset, Tiffany saw a thin curved sliver of the moon that was getting bigger each night. The phase is waxing crescent. 3. At 7 p.m., a man observed that exactly half of the moon was bright on the right side. The phase is first quarter. 4. Jamie noticed that most of the moon was bright, but it was not yet a full circle and was still increasing. The phase is waxing gibbous. 5. During a nighttime camping trip, the moon appeared as a complete bright circle in the sky. The phase is full moon. Number 6. A few nights after the full moon, Marco saw that the moon was still mostly bright but slowly becoming smaller. The phase is waning gibbous. 7. Anna woke up before sunrise and saw half of the moon lit on the left side. The phase is third quarter. 8. 2 days before the new moon, Paulo saw only a thin sliver of the moon remaining in the early morning sky. The phase is waning crescent. 9. Every night this week, the bright part of the moon has been getting larger. What phase trend is this? The answer is waxing. And number 10, after the full moon, the lighted portion of the moon becomes smaller each night. What phase trend is this? It's waning.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.